Hello little champs. Today's topic is sounds in Hindi. Okay. So as we have done many sounds, so today we'll do those sounds Hindi. Okay. We'll see how to write those sounds in Hindi. Okay. So see, first sound is double S. SS says sir. Okay. It's little bit long, so you can put here dots. Sir. Next, AI. AI says A. Okay, it's also little bit long, so speak it A. Next, AY. AY says A. Okay, the difference between these two sounds is that AI always comes in middle of the word and AY comes at the end. Okay. They both are cousins, okay, as we have read in phonics book. Next, double L. Double L says la, okay, it makes la sound. Next, double E, okay, no need to say double E, you can say E, okay, E makes E sound, long sound of E, okay, it's E. Next, EA, it says E, okay, it just says E, it's E. Next, ache, ache, it makes ache sound, ache, okay. Next is aim, aim, okay. And last, ace, ace, so C says sir, okay, here C says sir, so don't speak it k, it's ace, so ace, okay. Hope you got it.